In the world of personal and small business finance, choosing the right accounting software can make all the difference. While big names like QuickBooks and Xero often dominate the conversation, there is a powerful and popular alternative that stands out for a very different reason: its price tag. GnuCash is a free, open-source accounting program that has been serving a specific niche of users for years. So, the natural question for anyone exploring their options is, what is GnuCash used for? As an accounting software expert, I can tell you that GnuCash is primarily used for personal and small business financial accounting, based on the double-entry bookkeeping system. Its main purpose is to help users track income, expenses, assets, and liabilities, providing a clear and comprehensive picture of their financial health. However, its specific use cases and the types of users it serves go much deeper than that. 1. Personal financial management. One of the most common and effective uses of GnuCash is for personal finance. For individuals who are serious about budgeting, saving, and understanding where their money goes, GnuCash provides a robust platform that goes far beyond simple spreadsheet tracking. Budgeting. GnuCash allows you to create detailed budgets for various expense categories, e.g., groceries, rent, entertainment. By tracking your actual spending against these budgets, you can see in real time where you might be overspending and adjust your habits accordingly. Investment tracking. It has features for tracking your investment portfolio, including stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. You can monitor the value of your holdings, track gains and losses, and even download quotes to keep your records up to date. Net worth calculation. By recording all your assets, bank accounts, investments, property and liabilities, mortgage, credit card debt, GnuCash can automatically calculate your net worth. This provides a single, powerful metric for tracking your financial progress over time. Banking and reconciliation. GnuCash can connect to your bank accounts, often via OFX or HBCI protocols, to download transactions. This makes it easier to reconcile your account balances, ensuring your records match your bank statements and helping you catch any errors or fraudulent charges. Income and expense tracking. At its most basic, GnuCash is a fantastic tool for logging every penny you earn and spend, providing detailed reports and graphs to visualize your cash flow. 2. Small business accounting. For small businesses, freelancers, and sole proprietors, GnuCash provides a no-cost way to manage their financial records without sacrificing the power of a professional accounting system. Its adherence to the double-entry method is key here, as it ensures accuracy and provides the foundation for generating proper financial statements. General ledger and chart of accounts. GnuCash is built around a general ledger, and its customizable chart of accounts allows businesses to create a structure that perfectly fits their needs. You can set up accounts for income, expenses, assets, liabilities, and equity, giving you a comprehensive view of your business's financial position. Invoicing and accounts receivable. You can create and manage customer invoices directly within GnuCash. It allows you to track which invoices are outstanding, which have been paid, and how much money is owed to you. This is crucial for managing cash flow and collections. Accounts payable. GnuCash helps you track the bills you need to pay, who you owe money to, and when those payments are due. This is essential for managing your business's credit and avoiding late fees. Financial reporting. This is where the power of double entry truly shines. GnuCash can generate a variety of professional-grade financial reports, including balance sheet, a snapshot of your company's assets, liabilities, and equity at a specific point in time. Income statement, profit and loss, a report showing your revenues, expenses, and net profit over a period. Cash flow statement tracks the movement of cash into and out of your business. Trial balance, a list of all your accounts and their balances, used to check for mathematical accuracy. Customer and vendor management. GnuCash allows you to create and manage lists of your customers and vendors, linking transactions directly to them for easy tracking and reporting. 3. Educational purposes. Because GnuCash is free and uses the standard double-entry system, it's an excellent tool for students and anyone learning the principles of accounting. It allows users to practice real-world bookkeeping without the financial barrier of expensive software. The trade-offs. What GnuCash is not for. While GnuCash is powerful, its open-source nature means it lacks some of the features and automation found in its commercial counterparts. Here's what it's generally not used for. Integrated payroll. As I've discussed before, GnuCash doesn't have an automated payroll module. All payroll calculations, taxes, deductions, etc., must be done manually or with an external service, and then recorded in GnuCash. Automated tax filings. It will not automatically generate and file your tax forms, e.g., W-2s, 1099s, sales tax reports. It can provide the data for these forms, but the final preparation and submission are your responsibility. Advanced inventory management. While it can track basic inventory, it lacks sophisticated features for managing complex inventory, such as FIFO/LIFO costing, lot tracking, or multiple warehouse locations. Cloud-based collaboration. GnuCash is a desktop application. While you can store your data file on a shared drive, it's not designed for real-time, multi-user collaboration in the way cloud-based software like QuickBooks Online or Xero is. Sophisticated integrations. It does not have a wide ecosystem of third-party app integrations for things like CRM, e-commerce platforms, or payment gateways. In summary, GnuCash is a robust, free, and incredibly capable tool for anyone who needs to manage their finances with a professional-grade double-entry system. It's the perfect solution for individuals who want total control over their personal finances and for small businesses that need solid accounting fundamentals without the recurring subscription fees. However, its strength lies in its manual, user-driven approach, and it's not the right fit for businesses that require automated payroll, advanced integrations, or a cloud-based collaborative environment. For those who are willing to put in the time to learn and manage their records meticulously, GnuCash is an invaluable resource.